Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will share Bagel Tuna Melts recipe. So keep watching and stay with us for step-by-step guidance. So in order to make this recipe, we need the following ingredients: 1 tuna tin, 1 red onion, 1 sweet corn tin, 1 packed bagel, 2 spoon mayo, salt and pepper on your taste. Grater cheese, you can find from Tesco. Steps of cooking. What we have to do is prepare all the ingredients and mix them together. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to comment below and write your suggestions. I always read and reply to everyone. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.